Hi everyone. I just want to demonstrate how to reset the Scion XD 2010, and it works for 2008 to 2014, I believe. And basically, to reset when you're changing oil, and it has maintenance required on the lamp for maintenance required. Unfortunately, I'm so sorry that I just did it, but that one right there, maintenance required light, was on, and the basic procedure is to turn off, turn the key to off position, and see that one right there, the mode switch. You have to change it first. When you're on the odometer, you have to change it to trip A right there, which is trip A. And then you could either erase it to back to 0 or just keep it, but you need to be on trip A. And you can turn the vehicle off again, and while holding the mode switch right there, the push mode switch, just push it and hold, push and hold, and then you need to turn the key to the on position, not the accessory. It's going to be the on position. Do not start the vehicle, just the on position. And when you turn it on, like that, on the trip lamp right here, there will be 5 dashes, and you have to wait until those 5 dashes become 4, 3, 2, 1, and then it's completely gone. So for each dash, I think it's 1,000. So like 5 dashes means 5,000. So if you want to change your oil at 3,000 miles, you have to stop at there should be 2 dashes left. But if you want to change your oil every 5,000 miles, then you have to let all the dashes gone. You want them gone, and that takes about 5 seconds. And then turn, once those dashes are gone from the lamp right here, you turn your vehicle back to off. And that's how you reset your maintenance required lamp on this vehicle. Thank you.